ito mga idol, panoorin natin itong The Best of Me dito sa Two of Us Acoustic. Grabe, ang ganda ng pagkakanta na dito mga idol. So let's go, panoorin natin mga idol at supportahan natin. Ayan na! Don't forget po, pakipalo po ang Facebook page ni Two of Us Acoustic mga idol. I think mag-jowa or mag-isawa ba ito? Let's go!
So many years gone.
What? Wow!
Still I remember. How did I ever let my heart believe? And one who never gave enough to me.
So many years gone.
Oh!
A love that was so wrong. Forget the way it used to be, and how you changed the touch of love for me.
Grabe!
You were my one more chance. I never thought I'd find. You were the one romance I've always known in my mind. No one will ever touch me more.
Angas ng boses.
I only hope that in return I might have saved the best of me for you, and we'll have no ending.
Oh no.
If we can hold on. I think I've come this far because of you. Could be no other love my arms will be. You were my one more chance. I never thought I'd find. You were the one romance I've always known in my mind.
Touch me more.
I only hope that in return I might save the best of me for you.
Grabe! Two of Us Acoustic mga idol. Don't forget pakipalo po ang kanilang Facebook page, Two of Us Acoustic. Palong-palong.
No one will ever touch me more.
I only hope that in reason, no matter how much we have to learn,
I still the best of me for you.
Grabe! Acoustic mga idol, supportahan po natin ang kanilang Facebook page. Galing!
Thank you so much. Have a good night everyone. Maraming salamat.
Ayun, grabe naman ang boses ni ate at ni kuya mga idol. Talagang mapapawaw ka talaga. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy mga idol pagdating sa kanilang mamaw talaga. So ano masasabi nyo dito mga idol sa kanilang Do It, The Best of Me by Two of Us Acoustic mga idol. Supportan po natin ang kanilang Facebook page mga idol. Grabe. So silipin nyo po ang kanilang Facebook page na napakaraming kanta nila mga idol at talagang ma-amaze kayo. So please comment down below mga idol kung ano po ang inyong mga opinion. Kung i-rate ko po kanyang performance mga idol, nasa mga 8 mga idol. Amazing, wala akong masabi kundi yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Okay, hanggang dito lang po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantaan. Mamaw talaga. God is fine.